Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are back now on another lesson. We're on ayah number 194 of Surat Baqarah. We are here. A'udhu billahi min shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Now, what happens when we have alif, lam, and sheen? Do we read it as al-shahru or should we read it as ash-shahru? That's right, we read it as ash-shahru because it's called huruf shamsiyya as opposed to what? Qamariyya. Qamariyya would have been al-shahru where you say the al. Shamsiyya is when you assimilate. You don't read the al, but the first sound will be assimilated into wherever the shadda is over. So ash-shahru, ash-shamsu for example. So ash-shahrul haramu bi, same format here. This drops, that drops, go straight to the sheen. Bishahril harami. Okay, everyone there with me? Ash-shahrul haramu bishahril harami. Wal, why? Because that drops, go straight to the lam. Wal hurumatu. Wal hurumatu. Qisasun. Jim, good place to stop. Qisas. And then فَمَنِ اعْتَدَى. فَمَنِ اعْتَدَى, because that's a hamza followed by a ayn. Okay, so you don't read that, but you pause from here and drop to where this drops and it's going to go to the ayn. فَمَنِ اعْتَدَى. Okay, فَمَنِ اعْتَدَى عَلَيْكُمْ عَلَيْكُمْ فَاعْتَدُوا. Okay, a little bit hard for beginners on this one, takes some struggle. فَاعْتَدُوا, because that's ayn, this drops. فَاعْتَدُوا عَلَيْهِ بِمِثْلِ مَا, same thing, right? بِمِثْلِ مَا اعْتَدَى عَلَيْكُمْ. This word alaykum and fa'tadu comes a lot, right? You're going to have to get used to it. It's a good practice. Look at this. 1, 2, 3. 3 times. And alaykum. Alright, so we're here now. وَاتَّقُوا اللَّهَ. Why this drops? Go straight to the ta. وَاتَّقُوا. This shows this is a plural, right? Extends. You're going to drop, go straight to the lam here. وَاتَّقُوا اللَّهَ. What happens here? وَاعْلَمُوا أَنَّ اللَّهَ. وَاعْلَمُوا, mad here, mad, slight mad. وَاعْلَمُوا أَنَّ. What happens to the noon? Ghunna has a shadda, and you hold it in nasal vibration of the nose. أَنَّ اللَّهَ ma'a. This drops here, the alif drops, go straight to the lam. Ma'al muttaqeen. Ma'al muttaqeen. Tan, shadda on the ta, so muttaqeen. Ma'al muttaqeen. Next ayah. وَأَنفِقُوا فِي سَبِيلِ اللَّهِ. في سبيل الله ولا تلقوا بأيديكم. بأيديكم. Ya has a shadda, so this is extended. بأيديكم. Right? As opposed to it would have been بأيديكم. بأيديكم. All those little extensions make a difference. Sometimes it becomes plural in the Arabic language, so you have to make sure you say those right. بِأَيْدِيكُمْ إِلَى. This drops, that drops, goes straight to the ta. Okay? and then that's a ha. إلى التهلكة تهلكة وأحسنوا. I realize in the live reading I already went through this, so I apologize for the review, but at least the lesson numbers will be kept in one order. So you can either say إلى التهلكة, technically you could stop here, إلى التهلكة وأحسنوا, and continue. Or, that's why these little diamond things are here. Or you can read up to the second diamond here, right here. إلى التهلكة وأحسنوا, like that, and then you continue. So you can pause here or here, option. Okay? إن الله يحب المحسنين. محسنين. We're going to read on. وأتموا الحج. With me, that drops while you read the lam from there. وأتموا الحج والعمرة. So that drops, went straight to the lam. والعمرة لله. Jim, good place to stop. وأتموا الحج والعمرة لله. You see how I'm ending in the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala there at the end? وأتموا الحج والعمرة لله. This has the ha sound. So when you're stopping والعمرة لله, okay? فإن أحصرتم فمس that dropped. فما استيسر من الهدي. Okay? من الهدي ولا تحلقوا رؤوسكم. What did the waw do here? Nothing. It just extends this. رؤوسكم. Okay? There's no vowel on it. You just read the hamza there. رؤوسكم حتى ba has the qalqala يبلغ الهدي محله. So the lam has a shadda. محله, if you want to continue. محله فمن كان. Or if I'm going to stop, محله. This ha, whenever you stop on the ha, there is a sound that is given when ending the word. You don't just say mahilla, like mahilla, quietly. You would have to give it some ending here. Mahillah. And then you can continue. فَمَنْ كَانَ مِنْكُمْ. So فَمَنْ كَانَ, noon sakina followed by kaf, that's ikhfa. فَمَنْ كَانَ مِنْكُمْ. Everybody with me? The memes join. مِنْكُمْ مَرِيضًا. مِنْكُمْ مَرِيضًا أو به, this just extends the ha. به أذى من رأسه. أذى mir, because that drops and goes straight to the ra. Noon sakina followed by ra. That drops, joins here. Mir ra'sihi, again extends the ha just slightly. Mir ra'sihi fafidyatun. Tun, it would have been tun, but it's mixed with the meme here. Fidyatun min. So this becomes mixing with the meme. Fidyatun min صيام أو صدقة صدقة أو نسك. But jim we can stop. أو نسك أو نسك. So when do we do what? We say nusukin if we're going to continue reading, or we say nusuk without reading the last vowel if we're going to stop. صدقة أو نسك. You just stop nusuk. فإذا أمنتم فمن تمتع بالعمرة إلى الحج. فإذا أمنتم فمن تمتع بالعمرة إلى الحج فمس that drops goes straight to the scene. فما استيسر من الهدي. It's a little tricky. من الهدي فمن لم. This noon is not read. This goes straight to the lam. فمن لم يجد. Dal has a qalqala. يجد. Just slight like doubling. يجد. فصيام ثلاثة. This is a long alif on the lam. ثلاثة أيام في الحج وسبعة. Why the baz sounds like it's doubled? قلقلة. سبعة إذا رجعتم. تلك عشرة كاملة. تلك عشرة كاملة. ذلك. So ذلك long on the ذل. ذلك لمن لم يكن أهله. This just slightly extends the ha. أهله So حاضري المسجد الحرام. واتقوا الله. Again, what that drops. واتقوا الله وَاعْلَمُوا. Remember that drops, goes straight to the ayn with a hamza, with a sukoon. وَاعْلَمُوا أَنَّ اللَّهَ. غُنَّة on the noon. أَنَّ اللَّهَ شَدِيدُ. The ya extends the dal. شَدِيدُ that drops, goes straight to the lam. شَدِيدُ الْعِقَابِ. This was a bit longer lesson. We ended on ayah number 196, the 30th page of the Quran in most mushafs. Inshallah, next lesson will be here. Jazakumullah khair for watching. May Allah bless you all. Keep us in dua. Assalamu alaikum.